Indeed, Baumia, you see who Samuel Baumia, who spiritual eye. The battle is between Baumia Yiri and Mama Yiri. Samunima. Omutituana more than Mukaka de Yamude. And a peri. Look, battle now, yeah, Kono. It's not between the two gentlemen. And it's not between the vice president. Listen to me. The battle of 2024, 7th December, who wins depends on the first potential first ladies. Into the Baumia and Mama is no issue. The vice president at Baumia Chusu with Jane Bensa, no issue. All other political parties they obey agro. I say agro deal woman so. After from third they obey agro. Chida de. Baby onye scan fee no. They be born e discount ye. Discount dey be dibi. Ona we know Venice Alan so dey only say on win because ono adwin born na abali tim nti obey bi. Ana awon makane ni ade. I say omo ba be try. Aba try na kwe. But who will win 2024 elections, you know? It's the fairest lady. Samia Baumia and Lodina, these two, spiritually, no, they are in the battlefield. The Kasamunti, a movie where you have been too much spiritually. Who any man? So I see deep from afar. I say the battle is between the two. And as we speak right now, no, Samia, Baumia, Eddie, Lodina to form. Oh, or not to form. Send when say, when they say, what boxing champion acquire what you Tyson Fury to form Saturday. You sick. Samia, Baumia, split a crown, no, and a lock a crown, no. And what is bringing on board as a first lady to support the husband to deliver victory. And then I need victory pay. After victory, you know, that what she brings on board to ensure say the husband presidency succeeds. Is critical, is massive than Lodina. The problem with Lodina is weak because Ojeja no ho ema marua ebe mama tudo. Ojeja no ho ema nkofo be mama dodo. Omo do mama no edoso. No Ojeja no ho ama nkofo bebre omo they don't have good intentions for mama around. And he cannot deal with them. Or you're spiritually weak. But Samia that girl, the spiritual aya. Or the show no crano. I don't want to dive into debate. You know, the battle is not about vice president J Mensa or until please give us a break. Namunyai sa mokasa kasa na and Baumia. So we need now you understand politics. I saw the vice president that will determine who wins. No. The vice presidents no dear. It's just a number. You know, it is like a convention. I said but if you want to know who will decide? Who will determine who wins? Is the two critical, notable, potential first ladies, Samia and Lodina. And you know, the question about them party faithfuls, and Obi me say. Leave Baumia alone and allow Baumia the space no. Na on chusu, on proposal in running meets, and once the party accepts it no, so be it. United, you go to the battlefield and you deliver victory. That is my position. Now, last week, me bahabe ye. We also been trying to concern with the main topic. Last week, me bahabe talk about Osibisa land issue. Kwekwanai ekoye gandama paskaya maybe expose no ema obi ehu say sa land no eye be hope construction limited bona fide property a bind their momo na ayawa so municipal assembly amano demolition powers orders so on call and also don't call demolition on taking land no and kukwana ebe abeye etutu asem ebe the D Mr. Riafi Adoa oye managing director of Behold Construction Limited na obeke kansema enye no kware obegu no fi ene dey so a matter of court I think say suit rate na ready and you be file any moment from now but Monday Tuesday no na kukwana any maame no isabeka rate no and now make say victory aba that demolition order no see bisa edan no the institutions ama they go ahead and there has been a demolition and the producer say obetume show me the videos of the demolition akoso ewo yes building no yes this is the demolition yes until no I don't know demolition taking place case will even take 1 year. No. I have one. What district court was so. You are yet to start hearing. But if you give the way things are going, and maybe one say there will be an attempt to because nipa ni ohiyeni only be. And you know, nipa say no, gidi. Misdemeanor case any share no. You be there 7 one share ya. That jailing nipa no. Just because on your politician, only be, only come for, only obi obeke biamano. And that's exactly what we are doing to the system. Etimino enyemi mwa say a politician like a to force a case. Na all dina ebe that in the course of cross-examination, ya coaching the third accused person because examination, you know, cross-examination is at large. Who to be can be out pay beyond, you know. In the middle of cross-examination, you know, they are coaching to say, Governor, don't be hard the door. Or didn't quarter the door. Or yes, two, or yes, one of the hardest and competent attorney general. Or you'll be a, I don't know, you'll be just say, a B, or you'll be uncompromised the principle. Or you'll be also case more and call the rear on the, and you'll be at the rate at which or succeed in prosecution and under conviction. There's a likelihood say case with you know, is likely to get conviction. And you know, the game plan is let's set him up and let's try to destroy him. And that is the agenda. You must be the dada. It will watch out 2-3 weeks. Maybe 3 weeks. But can say, look, there's an attack. Say you be attacking state institutions and appointees of government. When I said it, maybe people thought I'm just joking. You must be we are on the ground, so we know what happened. We say, "Oti consulate. Who will be a send a meeting here, make for 2 hours on political issues. So do you know the information I have on my phone? This phone. Do you know the information I have? Do you know messages I get? Do you know the investigative thing? All the appointees in government, I know whatever the plans they are doing towards you. Moi, we are attacking Muniano. It comes to us. We know. So when we say things, because say you be why Nyama ya person the government appointees no. The way they've set you up, look, the drones. That is the agenda of the position. Let's go after those who are so competent, those who are making things difficult for the opposition, those who are delivering. Let's begin to attack them, weaken them, and then create an impression, say they are corrupt, they are incompetency. It was what he said. It was a trap set up. Said, Governor Ba, you better create a case amano in order for him to look bad in prosecution. But you see, I have a lot of people talking about Adena Goffred, this third accused person, in open court, or accusing to say several times of ban on friend of odd hours, say or Jinimwana or say or incriminate at 2 force na 1 year, and that person make that statement openly in court. And I'm up for argument and say, I then go for the dame and defending who homo intinaka homonanke so KBB. You see, let me educate you in law. Whatever dame is so experienced, an attorney general, very experienced guy, very smart and sharp guy. So when he is doing prosecution, he's focused in the prosecution. He's focused in the cross-examination. And that was the issue at stake. And in the course, now a person raised an allegation against Mmra. And kamu person can or divert cross-examination or no. Now Mmra answer to those allegations are he didn't support it with evidence. Who make it incriminating statement? Say Obi want to influence you corrupt you in open court and you didn't back it with documentary evidence or any evidence to support it, and that to prove, say, government really did it beyond reasonable doubt, you want the accuser to what? To talk. And we have people like Samson Ayinene thinking, say, because the Attorney General refused to make any statement on record, no, is guilty. We refer the principles of criminal law that an accused person has a right to keep silent because no duty to prove his case. And he who alleges must prove. The accused person is making an allegation, and the judge said that these allegations will be on the court record. So if the accused person was serious-minded, he could tell the judge that, my lord, I'm ready to produce evidence to that effect that will go beyond reasonable doubt that the Attorney General came to. But he didn't do so. Or if you dare me, and you think Godfred is so stupid enough and he doesn't know what to do to dare somebody who is already down. He who is down fear no fall. That guy is already down, facing trial. And you know, ni why fina? Seven why bodem niya? Or when I say, oh, Jared, no bodem ni ba be you tama now the chi. So you think Godfred will stoop so low? Say Attorney General, first gentleman, original quarter, or prosecute you. Then you make useless allegation that you didn't support substantiated with any evidence. The court even gave you the permission, say, I am putting you on record. So what the judge was trying to tell you, say, once it's on record, you need to come and prove it. And you know, if you fail to prove it, and you are daring, and the person kept quiet, it doesn't mean the person is guilty. So Godfred decided in his own wisdom not to speak to those false allegations. Now man wait, so that it will divert issues. Because the issue there is not about Godfred Adami statement. It's about ambulance. Yakotwa Adaneka. So if Attorney General, then he came to issue a statement that is the one also. Because he needs to respond officially from the office. Because it's the office that has been accused. And you know, it is sad that when yesterday I looked at Samson Ayinene, and that guy, I don't know how to describe him. Why you know someone do high buffo or to join news filer, the posture is always to bring people down, and always Samson Ayinene don't say or your Pontius Pilate or you're higher in spirit, higher in realm. I can't remember me myself by Supreme Court na me call ye early application, and in the early application, I quoted some figures, values, my clients the mammy, and when the clients the mammy, the judge accepted those values, and then it became a matter of litigation. I called Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court would say, oh, let's investigate the judge and the lawyers now, almost this sinful conduct, and Samson Ayinene came and painted a picture as if lawyer Ampaw, a committee crime be a win, and now painting picture no, and no year review, and no year commentary or not. A thief be a criminal, walk court, no conjure the castle figure. Forgotten say, lawyers don't determine the figures. Young client Eddie Brian on the values of their property. And if a client ever early, let us face it. Now, Ubisani said, they die, no, see me die, address this. Who am I as a lawyer to challenge it? Me never. So when I accept the figures, let me propose it before the court. What crime have I committed? But Samson Ayinene sat on the news file and painted that picture, mentioned my name. Meanwhile, it's my friend who, share what down so we share what down so and this guy pushed her. And at the end of the day, case goes to courtroom. I won. The matter was investigated at the office of the Chief Justice, and Justice Akama was vindicated, Ampaw was vindicated, and at the end of the day, the superior judges who sat on the case were exposed big time, humiliated, and we won the case. Samson Ayinene, after we winning, one news file, I'm a year review say, oh, case I make here lawyer Ampaw and the Kamano, she said, no more 1 year. The same thing this guy is doing to Godfred Adami. This young guy when you offending Governor Dami, is telling us on this I say, I'm not Governor Dami any you make allegation against you until your response from the office, that's the answer. It's I say, yeah, implicate you. So I'm saying in a please, with all due respect, you are my junior, and you don't know the law more than Governor Dami. Governor Dami is your senior, well experienced, well knowledgeable, Abrabo have. You dare not talk that way to Governor Dami. Are you part of the conspiracy? Are you part of an agenda to run the AG? Is that the agenda? Then you have failed. Listen to me. Governor Dami from day one knew the enemies. Because this was the first time governor has come and attack. Okay, Tajukisin case, the same way they were attacking him for speaking on the issue after court. They were attacking him for making certain case statements in court. Mmra Tajukisin a petition to General Legal Council said they should investigate his conduct. What happened? That case was thrown out. So this is the first time NDC as a party is attacking government just because they can't stand the guy shine. They can't stand the guy competency. Almost be studying Governor Dami prowess as a attorney general. Look, uyi attorney general abetwum niano. Uyi nanado fi ho. Na yi obeda samwa efi ho. Minimum attorney general bia waye eduma check of it. Because and I told you now so why you juma pa ni Madam Babu so me feeling you're very good or you're a very honest woman. Very honest. I think Professor Mills very honest woman. But mama they obey me Jesus Christ. Any problem is no way. Judgment debt. Contractors. Matabdu also did well. Matabdu did well during most time. But Betty Modi Dusu and Batino Drew. They were the people champions in judgment debt. What you make is they approved the payment of what you make and defended what you make. But to draw defending what you may say, the state have no case. And that's what the department. This same Betty Modi Dusu and Batino when Muntie Frey Ebaye as Muntie Free continue radio good 13 assistant chief justice say only rapino. 13 the judiciary the bench said they will murder them as they did to the matters. All my judges are done when they said all those things, and the attorney general at that time Betty Mododrusu and Batudo kept quiet. They didn't see anything wrong. They all my number didn't say they are going to prosecute these and these apparatuses. Oh yeah, I say, that time my man must have power. And a multi three for sorry committee crime, threat, attempted rape, threat of arm and murder. All our judges so after these three people, the attorney general at that time did not invite them for investigations or possible prosecution. But rather sat down, and then when the judges, led by Sophia Akufu, the former chief justice, initiated a contempt proceedings against Omono, what happened? They could do assembly here. You're jailing Koforo just for 1 month. That mama, the sitting attorney general, Maurice in the Crawford, but the Musumo, but you know, any NDC apparatus went to TV3 and signed a petition, say free Muntie 3. Mama, free them, pardon them, and true to their words. Less than 3 days, Mama came and pardoned them. In your time, the Attorney General office was so bad. Say, they did so many damage. In your time, during Mama Mills' time, the Attorney General could not succeed in prosecution. During that time, Mills taking over 208, and they promised the people of Ghana, said they are going to jail these MPP people, no, because it was political trial. Omuni evidence, they didn't have competent people. Until Matamidu said, no, I cannot take these people to court. Until only maybe why judgment deputy said, no, open or confront to Professor Mills and Mama. He led to the sack. Matamidu if he were. And Eddie Betty would do you. Anybody would do better take you over. And then they started pulling the strings. That's where you could see, say, judgment debts cost law, because they were compromising at the business ministry. And you know, the case they were not defending the states. And so every single case before the court to prosecute MPP appointation, they lost. That is where Ubu free. And then they came out to say the judiciary is against them, and therefore, the late Kwabre J came out to say they are going to do a house cleaning. They are going to clean the judiciary here. That is now and succeeding conviction. More political prosecution. You don't have evidence, and you lost your cases in Ghana. Then they started saying that, and there are so many ways of killing your cats. The NDC. The incompetency at the office of the Attorney General was so overwhelming during your time. Judgment debt left and right. And then the case be a corner MP NDC they were free, and then they were free MPP apparatus. No MPDC Nipa Obenya case. Attorney General. They were doing it. Today, Godfrey Odami is there ensuring justice. Godfrey Odami is there ensuring, say, there is no judgment debt. Is there ensuring, say, those who have stolen state money, a man from Ghana, almost cause of financial loss, or prosecutum, and on your conviction. Why? A man for say, hey, on the citizens are in bed, and I saw winning his case, and name calling. But the guy's doing marvelously well. And I'm not surprised, because that is exactly what they will do. When you are good at your game, the NDC want to discredit you. But you see, one of the things that Samotia said, Governor Dami is so experienced as an Attorney General. Sure? If they are third accused person, the Attorney General wanted, say, obey you soon as prosecution witness. He could have easily dropped the charges against him. The Attorney General could have called him and said, look, we want to do a bargain. Looking at the evidence, you can say you draw charges against you, so that they use you as prosecution witness against Atufosi. That's what they should have done. So government wanted to do it, but government, Odami and Attorney General were not ready for any assistance, any support from the accused person. That is why maintaining the accused person, the charge sheet, and they prosecuted against them. And Obia, who say member Brown, at the same time, no, court. It doesn't make sense. But way Ghana for propaganda, peg for the Nsem, to create problem. No, you go to various media houses and do Ampaw and a Godfrey. There is no substance. They have lost the argument, and I can tell you on authority, say, Governor Dami and the Attorney General, they are focused. They will deliver on their mandate. They will never resign on these stupid and useless allegations have not been proven before any court of competent jurisdiction. Also making noise, say obi be hu and then the bakoro hu now want to be produce evidence. Now you order I want to do a press conference. Stupid and useless press conference no will not make the AG lose focus. And I can tell you on authority, say the Attorney General office no is in safe hands. And the current MPP Attorney General office is far better than NDC one. Because currently Attorney General and also Attorney General no, the kind of infrastructure government or my year Attorney General any the kind of massive improvement in condition of service of lawyers and the kind of resources they are pumping to the judiciary. What do I say? Headed by the Minister of Justice and the kind of investment that MPP you can compare it to the performance of the NDC at that time. They don't have the men. They were highly compromising judgment debt. Who the case called Nana State are doing the tower. Next time Matami Duke when I say Matami to resign because on principle they didn't see why one case should not be prosecuted. They even in their time, look at how they prosecuted Uyume case. Look at how the Attorney General Batinodomo came out openly to say the Uyume has a case. If they almost say many case now, you can't prosecute Uyume case no. I'm going to evidence. I'm going to evidence yanko. Ain't not jet not judges at not some or Mmra who sat on the case didn't see evidence. It was intentional. Was that time that mama and mama names was not that time mama and but you drew and betu mududusu decided to present a weak case against Woyomi, and then they lost. It was intentional. But that time Woyomi back out about 30 say, hey, mom would discredit Bino, mom when you come, the so they have to do what we call a quick prosecution, weak case, went to court without evidence, no, and then Matiami Dua, the kind of corrupt practices and the way protective Woyomi quickly have to rush to the Supreme Court. Now, Oko taking civil action against Woyomi and said that the transaction didn't have parliamentary approval. Or secure conviction, or secure judgment. And then Woyomi, you can't see on trading yano. It tells you, say, NDC in power, Mama Mills, they don't have the track record. And it because they have been compromising and they were doing political prosecution and they were allowing people to go scot free. And Mama, led by Mama, who criminals, now Jomo, pardon, all NDC criminals in their Mama Jajamunia, and now won't take for cry a jail only 3 days, no Jomo. And now when you come to Nanado government, you don't see those nonsense. Comparing to Governor, please continue with your good work. The director of prosecution continue with your work. The Attorney General in all over Ghana, the various heads, the Ashanti Regional manager and Attorney General doing the regions, they are doing well. Focus. Don't allow anybody to distract you. But I can say on authority, say some of us know, say Echo do elections. These are the things that will start doing. I have intelligence say they will start attacking all institutions. So you know what here? The office of the EC has come on a serious attack, left and right, and it's part of the agenda. They are saying attacking every institution. Every institution, Yoko has come under serious attack. Office of the Special Prosecutor has come under serious attack. Currently, Krano, Napo, Energy Ministry, Taylor, serious attack. Until the government appointees, and then once the Attorney General is receiving his share. This is what NDC has planned doing. They are making sure, say, the government lies in office, no, they will make the country ungovernable. Accuse falsely every head of an institution, all political appointees of government, Just, I'm giving you that information. That they have the media, led by Kevin Taylor and other Samsayini Akocom group. They are taking huge sums of money, and they'll be doing a lot of cases against you. They have pastors led by Ampaw. You have Ampaw in that pastor. Ampaw Kamubi. When they say Ajinasari Kahon, Kancha Kahon, when they say Kahon, Muntie, Tie, Odro. And then we have Dakawim Susa Bekahon. And then we have a lot of them. They are going to Abraham Lanti. They are going to attack you. Then we have the civil society led by Imani Ghana Muni, other Bright Simo, CDD. They will all come and attack you. And then we have some chiefs who have been compromised. They will attack you. And you know, I am urging every appointee of this government, of Rado, so all taking precautionary measures. Please be very careful who you talk to. Be very careful. Tighten security at your various offices. Tighten your security at your various offices. Guard your phones. Don't allow people to talk to you by heart. Don't give people access to your office. Block people, because they are going to use people to make false allegations against you. And we have people who all over, they are getting them to do those propaganda for them. And we will not allow that to go on. Until Minya, Ghana for ETSA, it is what it is. And I can show you, say, this thing against Governor is well orchestrated. And you plan. And it's something they have been planned. And it is not only government who they will come attack, but they will attack every institution here. Every institution here. Napo ever receiving it here. WONTUMI ever receiving it here. And every bit, every government institution, every head of government institution here, they will come after you. But I can assure you, say what you need to do is to tighten your security and ensure that remain focused and do the do, so that God will be your helper. What did I say? Hey, you know, Mmra Godfrey Dame, hold on. The president have confidence in you. The people of Ghana trust you, and we pray that you deliver and you continue doing what will make Ghana great and strong. Now, let me come and make some interesting issues be call rounds, and I think say maybe go for the day, you know, let's look at issues that I can use to advise people. I think say let's look at the issue of